G'day there. I'm doing some dielectric tests on some various oils at the moment to try and insulate this flyback, and I didn't have any motor oil or any of the regular oils that you would try, so I thought I'd try this fork oil, which I've had for 15 years. It's probably stuffed as fork oil, and that should have given me a tip as to why it's no good, but I will show you what happens anyhow. That is going to be any good with insulation oil. It just bubbles and it's got no dielectric strength whatsoever. Thanks for watching. So this is another dielectric test, this time with extra virgin olive oil. Cheap stuff from Aldi. Even though it's cheap, I'm glad I didn't tip out the whole lot because it's useless too, much like the fork oil. I'm just finding my palette. There we go. As soon as you start getting near, the oil just goes crazy. If you get too close, it bubbles. I think that's actually because the wire came out. There we go. So the olive oil does have some dielectric strength, but all that bubbling eventually causes breakout. Oops, there goes the insulation on the wire. Alright, well, olive oil's no good. Try something else. Thanks for watching. G'day there, this is dielectric oil test number 3. In this test we have some really old hypoid gear oil, which the label's falling apart on. It is gear oil, it's a 80 to 90 weight gear oil. And I thought the thickness might be good because I'm getting a lot of dielectrophoresis, which is a new word I just learnt, which is essentially where the electrical stimulation on the dielectric fluid makes it move around really fast. So I thought maybe a thicker oil might reduce that. Plus it's one of the only other oils I've got lying around the house to try. So high voltage is now on. As we can see, there is still some movement of the oil, but it is definitely much reduced. I'm just going to try and bury that down. I should fix that wire. That's got a leak in the insulation from the previous test. That might be better. And aside from that leak in my wire, it's actually not bad dielectrically. It's the best I've found so far. The dielectrophoresis will eventually cause enough air to get in there that the arcing actually happens through the air, not the oil. And the thicker oil is better. But what it does do, if I get in there too much, it will froth up. So I think this one's going to be a winner. There must be some serious breakout happening in there because my camera doesn't usually play up with the high voltage. So there we have it. I think we have a winner for the dielectric oil I will be using to insulate this flyback. which, as you can see, is smoking again from where it's arcing out across the pins. I might need to wind a new flyback. I think that one might be too far gone to save. But I've got a few of them, so that's okay. Thanks for watching. G'day. This is dielectric test number 4 for high voltage using cheap nasty vegetable oil. Cheapest vegetable oil I could find, 2 litres, cost me about $4 I think. So let's turn on the high voltage. There we go. And we're seeing some dielectrophoresis there, but moving that oil around and stirring it is pretty good. I am feeling quite a lot of coolant force interacting with my electrode there. You can see it wanting to lunge towards the plastic and stick. That's got very good dielectric strength, just the plain old vegetable oil. The longest I can pull that arc is maybe 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters maybe. Camera doesn't like that. So I think we have a winner with the vegetable oil. It really doesn't aerate too much. And the insulation on my wire just broke down. It's actually time for a chicken stick, I think. But at least my oil works. Look at that, those electrodes are right near each other. I'm stirring like crazy. But it is not arcing out in there. Can't say so much for the wire. That's kind of zapped me. The noise coming off it. So I can feel that airflow straight off that wire and hitting my hand. The olive oil's good. No, thanks for watching. Oh, vegetable oil, sorry. Thanks for watching.